So you want to know that one thing that's going to move your Mandarin forward? Well, I got Elisa here, who happens to be a choreographer with Disney, and So You Think You Can Dance China, right?
Correct. 如果编了一个百老汇作品，有一个古典舞者。
I'm Kwadwo, and if you don't know me, my name's Kwadwo. I'm a creator here at elementarychinese.com, where I help you learn the everyday Chinese you need to communicate what you want. Here in China, we're in Shanghai, by the way. So if you want more content like this, especially interviews, consider subscribing. So that one thing.
So the most important thing I ever learned how to say was, how do you say?
How do you say?
怎么说?
怎么说?
So every day I would go around asking friends, strangers, 怎么说? 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 I actually don't know how to say this.
林子吧? 林子吧?
林子.
林子. So you would ask, 怎么说? And people would tell you.
Yes.
Right.
And so then I would know how to use it the next time I wanted to use it. 我好喜欢你的名字.
林子.
名字.
谢谢.
And I would make a lot of mistakes and embarrass myself. That's how I learned how to say the things that were important and useful in my life. So.
And now you teach choreography in Mandarin.
Correct.
It's a bit of a jump from asking day-to-day names to...
So when I first started teaching classes in China, I did not hardly even know how to say ni hao. I would teach movement and I'd say, okay, use your right, 怎么说? And students would say, 手背, arm. So I would say, use your right, 手背.
Right.
Or,
And now?
And
Oh,
so
yeah.
I would just every day learn a new movement or a new body part, and it would be a combination of English and Mandarin together until I finally learned how to construct basic sentences.
What do you like better, Mongolia? Because she's been to Mongolia like 4 or 5 times, or Shanghai. Mongolia versus Shanghai.
Shanghai has definitely become my second home, but if you ever get the chance to travel in China, I recommend visiting the grasslands of Inner Mongolia.
Where have you guys traveled to? Like, I want to know in the comments, because I don't actually travel that much. This is my first time to Shanghai. And I've been here for like just over 10 years. 真的没来过，去过机场。
欢迎再回来。
好吧，好吧，明天怎么样？You just gotta go right now, right?
Being willing to put yourself out there and practice. In the beginning, I was so nervous to speak Mandarin because I know I'm sounding like a fool, but I found that most people are quite willing to help you once you make an effort.
Click or tap the screen right there if you want to see a video with Jamie in it, DJ for the Shanghai Sharks. Since we're in Shanghai, he'll tell you about how to learn Mandarin. Do we need an 8 count for that? Like,
5、6、7
good study, day up. That was great though. Let's just do that. Finish. I'm gonna have to come back. I like you.
Yeah.
Here we go.